not just for Africans alone. This is for the whole world. This recipe is for the whole world. Please go ahead and do this and help your family, help yourself. This is very, very, very delicious. Honestly, you will love it. I got a lot of messages on my Instagram concerning this tea the last time I did this tea, and I felt so blessed because these are white people that saw this tea on my Instagram handle, and honestly they were tagging me concerning this tea, and I felt so blessed that I could give out something that means a lot to people. So please, this is an interesting tea. Go ahead and try this. I have been doing this like from when I was a child. I've been drinking this tea, and when this COVID came in, I just went back to my childhood memory. I remembered it, went back to it, because this is what my parents used to give us when we were little kids. If we have fever, malaria, typhoid, these are all they put together, and we get healed. We get healed for real. Bitter leaf is very, very, Google it. Bitter leaf is very good. Lemon, lime, cloves, all these things. Okay, fam. I just want to show you the 8 ingredients you can use to boost your immune system. These are the ingredients I'm going to be using on this natural immune boosting tea. As you can see, I have 3 pineapples here. I have ginger. Go ahead and get enough ginger, as you can see on my table, because I'm making a huge pot. I'll be showing you my pot in a minute. I've done this severally on this platform because you guys know COVID keep coming. I don't know, it's not going at all, and a lot of people are being infected. A lot of people are being infected with COVID. So I'm actually making this for a family, and my family can have some out of it as well. Okay, so you guys should be careful anywhere you are. COVID is real, and honestly, every day people are being rushed to the hospital as a result of COVID. If you go to the hospital, there are a lot of people, millions of people lying on that hospital bed. Doctors cannot even help it because the crowd of people in that hospital is so much. A lot of families are going through, a very terrible time right now because of this COVID. So please, I keep encouraging us on this platform to find a way to help our immune system so that our system can be able to fight against this virus, because I don't know, it's a terrible virus, especially now that there is cold. It's really, really affecting people the more. So I have a family right now who is going through this situation, and I want to do this and show as many people who just subscribe to my channel who haven't seen this. I want to do it over again. So for your COVID tea, I call it COVID tea, sincerely speaking, because this is working like magic. I took this to my office some time ago, and every week people were asking me to please make them this tea. I have seen the effect. It's working very well, and it's advisable you go and make this for your family. So guys, for this tea recipe today, I'm going to be using lemon. I'm just going to let you see the quantity of what I have on this table. If you have a large family like myself, remember, I'm going to be making this for my family and for some family. Okay, so I have about 10 of it, of the lemons, and I have about 14 of the limes. Yes, I usually add orange grapes and some oranges. But trust me guys, things are very, very, very expensive right now. I have to buy what I can afford for right now. I didn't even see turmeric. This is the quantity I bought. This is what I saw in the whole Kroger's. COVID has so messed up things that people cannot even go to the store and find what they want. You know, it's not funny. We really have to be careful. Foodstuffs are very expensive. Yesterday I went to the store. I can't imagine how much I spent for just few things I bought. I was like, if I come home, I have to give instructions and tell people, look, don't touch this like this, don't touch this like that, because these things cost a lot of money, and it's not as if there is money anywhere, you know. So I mean, everything has skyrocketed. People who bring foodstuffs cannot even come out because of COVID. People are scared. Drivers are not ready to walk. People are not ready to come out because you're careful. You don't want to get infected, and you don't even know who has this COVID, you know. So it's not easy right now, but God is going to help each and every one of us. Okay, so this is my pineapples. This is my ginger. I have cloves here, as you guys can see. I have pimento seed. I have garlic. I have turmeric. I have ginger, and here is my lime and lemon. You can see my lime and lemon here. So I'll go ahead and I've already washed everything. You can see on this table is already nicely washed and clean. So I'm just going to slice them into bite pieces so I can be able to blend them, and then I'll show you as I put everything in the pot. Stay tuned. I will quickly show you my pot, the pot I usually use. Stay tuned, guys. So guys, this is the size of pot I'm using. I told you we are many in this family, and I'm going to share this tea. So this is my pot. I have water here already. I'm going to show you what I want to do right quick. It's not going to take more than 10 minutes. This tea will be ready. So go ahead, add water into your pot. Let it boil. As you can see, the water have boiled. I'm just going to slice my pineapples and begin to add my stuff. So you will see what I'm going to be doing. So stay tuned and learn this so that you can make it for your family and stay safe. Okay guys, so here is my pineapples. I've gone ahead to peel it up. So like I said, you peel it up this way and you just cut them in cubes so that you can be able to blend them very well, because this is the last thing that will be going into the tea. Okay, it will give the tea a very lovely taste, and you know it has a vitamin C component coupled with a lemon, lime and ginger. Here is the skin of the pineapples. Okay, so I'm going to be adding this to the pot. I'll show you right quick, and then I want to show you this. This is the 3 head of the pineapples. They are going to be going into the tea as well. All you need to do is peel a couple of them, because this is highly medicinal. It helps you so very much for inflammation as well. So all you want to do is you just take as much as you want, add it to the pineapple peels, which is the pineapple skin, which is actually the one of the major ingredients for this very immune boosting tea recipe. I'll show you as I'm going to pour it in the pot. I will just show you. I'll pour it right inside the hot water. Okay, just stay tuned and see what I'm doing. One after the other, I'm going to be taking you on this so that you can be able to do this for your family. Okay, my hot water, I'm going to be adding this. I'll add everything in like so. So guys, I'm going to be adding the pineapple head like I told you. Just add it in like so. I mean, this is just like the pineapple leaf, if you call it that, you know. So next is my turmeric. I'm going to add my turmeric. You can add as much as you care to add, but I've gone ahead to add just 1 cup. And this is the turmeric I'm using, organic. Okay, go ahead and use any powdered turmeric you find in your area. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so I've gone ahead to squeeze out my lemon and lime. This is lemon and lime together. This is the liquid. I'm going to be adding it up. This is some ginger, some garlic, and some turmeric. And here I forgot to tell you I have bitter leaf. This is some bitter leaf from my garden. It's drying up, and bitter leaf is also good for this recipe. So I'm going to be pouring this into my tea. So this is our tea. It's coming up, so I'm going to add all of this bitter leaf, turmeric, ginger, garlic. I'm going to blend some as well. Here I'm blending my ginger, garlic, and turmeric. Ginger, garlic, turmeric. This is what I'm blending. So here is my cloves. I'm going to add it here. I'll blend it together. And here's my pimento seed. I'm going to blend it as well. So here I have cloves, pimento seed, I have ginger, I have garlic, I have turmeric. Okay, I'll go ahead and blend. So guys, here are all my blended stuffs: my pimento seed, my cloves, my pimento seed, my ginger, my garlic, my turmeric. These are the blended ones. I'm going to add it to the pot right now. So here guys, at this point it has cooked very well. I've turned off my stove. I'm just going to start adding all the blended stuffs: my ginger, my garlic, my turmeric, my pimento seed, and my cloves. This is what I've just added. Just go ahead. This is the aroma is so beautiful. Guys, this tea is usually amazing. Honestly, you want to try this for your family. You will not regret it. It smells so good. So good, guys. So next I'm going to be adding is all of this. I'm going to be adding all of this. I'm going to add all of the juice from the lemon and lime. Guys, trust me. This is usually very amazing. Oh yeah, usually very amazing. The last thing that will go in here now will be the pineapple. I'm going to go ahead and blend the pineapple. Stay tuned. Alright fam, I have gone ahead to add some of the pineapples. I'm going to add the last batch of the pineapples. This is your tea. If you have been watching till this time and you haven't subscribed, please do. And please do give this a thumbs up. So this is it for your pineapple, turmeric, bitter leaf, immune boosting tea. Pineapple, bitter leaf, lemon, lime, ginger, garlic. I'll call it 8 ingredients. I almost forgot my bitter leaf, but thank God I remembered it. So please go ahead and feel free to ask me whatever question in the comment section. If you tried this, let me know in the comment section. If you have tried it, a lot of people tried it the other time I did it. Not just for Africans alone, this is for the whole world. This recipe is for the whole world. Please go ahead and do this and help your family, help yourself. This is very delicious. Honestly, you will love it. Okay, feel free to try this. I want to add some more pineapples. Oh wow, this is amazing. Alright guys, so I've gone ahead to add some of the pineapples. This is the last batch of the pineapple. Very delicious. The pineapple is so delicious. So this is it for your tea. Go ahead and try it for your family. Yeah guys, if you have been watching me from the beginning of this video till now, you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe and hit on that bell notification. Please, every time when I upload videos, you will be the first to get notified. This is an interesting recipe. You don't want to miss out of any of my recipes, because I'll be showing you a lot you can do for yourself to quarantine yourself every day, even without having COVID. Teas like this will help you fight against any kind of diseases and Egyptian sicknesses. Okay, my family will enjoy this and my loved ones will enjoy this. Please give this a thumbs up, massive thumbs up. I got a lot of messages on my Instagram concerning this tea the last time I did this tea, and I felt so blessed because these are white people that saw this tea on my Instagram handle, and honestly they were tagging me concerning this tea, and I felt so blessed that I could give out something that means a lot to people. So please, this is an interesting tea. Go ahead and try this. I have been doing this like from when I was a child. I've been drinking this tea, and when this COVID came in, I just went back to my childhood memory. I remembered it, went back to it, because this is what my parents used to give us when we were little kids. If we have fever, malaria, typhoid, these are all they put together and we get healed. We get healed for real. Bitter leaf is very Google it. Bitter leaf is very good. Lemon, lime, cloves, all these things. Okay.